guys, this is alleykat from Beyblade 718, and today I have another unboxing for you. It is Draciel S. Draciel S. This is a Sonicon version. This is Max's second Beyblade, and it is a defensive type. This is the front there. You got Max here, stripping for us. We have the sides here. The back of the box with all the stats and content, and side of the box tells you about the metal ball system, which is Draciel's signature stuff. Anyway, let's get this box open. Alright, so first up, first up is this cool poster that I don't have.
Oh.
Cool. So we got Dragoon and Dranza. And on the back it shows you some old Beyblades, some old stuff. Don't actually have this. It's got some hidden spirit Beyblades down there. The Dragoon and Dranza, Dragoon and Drigger launcher, the compact stadiums and shit. This is cool. Wonder what side I should put up that.
That side. Nah, the
I
other
like that side too.
What?
Anyway, we'll just put that over here for now. Then we have our instruction manual and balls. And stickers, of course. Okay. Next up we have our parts.
Blue ripcord?
What colour launcher do you reckon it is?
I reckon it's going to be yellow.
Yellow?
Yellow.
You're wrong, woman. It's green.
Oh!
We have our green easy launcher.
We haven't gotten that colour yet.
No, we haven't gotten that colour yet.
Oh my god, it blends. Not really.
Stupid green paper. Anyway, I'm gonna keep spinning this while I try and get it open. Start with this.
Don't lose the balls.
It's alright, I got another two. Don't like it.
Mind the music in the background if you guys can hear it.
Got some Tool playing. It's actually... Okay, I'll just rip it. Also, I'm going to try and minimize the amount of swearing I partake in while I'm here. So it's not nice. And we have the really small, really small instruction manual. You don't actually ever need these. Put that back in there. And then we've got our sticker sheet.
Was that Death Draciel or something?
Yeah. Death Draciel.
Draciel?
It says Draciel.
Well.
Then we got our spin gear ring.
And the balls.
Our tip.
Oh.
And our two balls.
Show us the tip.
It's a semi-round tip. Okay, now we'll open up the cool stuff. I wish that I could be all the cool.
You will never be like the cool kids.
Right, so we have our what would you call this?
Blade base?
I know, no. What's the blade base? I don't know what it's called. I know. I found it. I know this one is the fortress base. What would this be?
Look in the box.
What's going to tell you? Anyway, it's the blade base.
Goddamn Japanese.
Korean.
I knew that.
We have our blue ripcord. I'll just put that into our launcher. Ooh. Which says Sonicon Korea. No! Not the box! We have our shield attack. What is this one called? I don't remember. We have our attack ring. I don't actually like this Beyblade, but we needed to get it.
Collections.
Yeah. We have our 8 balance weight disc. We have our 2 bit chips.
Come on.
Buddy.
Use those muscles.
Don't have muscles.
Then how are you able to lift me?
You're really light. Oh yeah, this one says Draciel S. Draciel. I keep saying Draciel because it's got Draciel on it. Alright, then we've got our spin gear parts. I read up online. Apparently this blade base is probably one of the best defense blade bases around. Purely because it can slot 2 extra balls and hold a heavy metal core.
Whoa, what?
Alright, so I'm going to put the spin gear together and then I'll put the stickers on. The whole house is shaking. So you sort of slot it together like that. Then with this other part, just go spit all over your stadium. Anyway, we're going to put these stickers on. I don't know why I clicked. We're going to put these stickers on for you and yeah, we'll be back soon. Okay.
Don't look so sad.
We ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So I've put all the stickers on, so we got our attack ring here. For a defensive attack ring, it looks really attacky.
What's an attack ring?
Smart ass. It's got all the 4 heads coming out and it sort of looks a bit aggressive. But I think it's a simple, cool sticker design. Okay, we have the classic Draciel. Draciel!
Mom!
Draciel. And we have our spin gear. Alright, so I'm going to put this tip into this. So you just sort of pop it.
Hold on.
Ready? Sort of pop it in like that. Just push in. Or use a hard surface such as that to push it all the way in. So yep, it's sitting in now. And you got these 2 metal balls here. And they just go into that slot and that slot. Now I've got here with me Draciel F, and Draciel F comes with its own 2 sets of balls, and I'll just show you that you can put a ball in there and a ball into there for that added defense that makes it heavier. So yep, I'll just get my other balls out. Dear me. Bear with me. Yep. Okay, so just... Okay, so I'll put the ball in. Then we put the spin gear in, which is a right spin. Our blade base clips. Too easy. Oh, no, this one's got a little knobby on it. Okay, so they're in. You have the weight disc. Yeah,
Cool.
snap.
Sexy.
Okay.
Don't break it.
Alright. Sort of not closing in properly. Okay. Just, there we go.
Brute strength.
And twist. And for our finishing, bit of metal. For our finishing touches, the little click's such a. There you have Draciel Shield. Really basic defense type from the first generation Beyblade. Side on. And our bottom view.
Alright, test launch.
Test launch. Alright. Put it down.
Just put it there.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, not a lot of movement, but that's expected from a defense type Beyblade. maybe if I use something with a little more horsepower, it might do all right. Okay, ready? Now with long ripcord, 3, 2, 1. I know boys. Okay, so while that is doing that Beyblade, I'm gonna pull apart. Oh, never mind. I'm not gonna do anything. Just realized how much time that would take.
So that's the end of our episode today.
And yeah, stay tuned. We've got a couple more unboxings. We've got a Seaborg 2 on the way. We've also got another Draciel, a Draciel V2, and a Driga V2 coming in. And a Driga will complete our collection. And so will the Draciel, actually. No, actually, we need the metal ball defensor. But yeah, this is my unboxing for my Sonicom Draciel S. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you again on another video. Ciao!
Bye!